Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Rookie, your girl. So today is hair and nails day. Yo, hi, yeah, that's me. So welcome to my vlog, and I'm heading over to the salon to make my hair. Look at my hair, look at my hair. Like, yeah. My hair is going to prove to you that it has a magic wand. Yeah. So I'm in the salon. Can you guys see? That's my hair. But one thing about my hair is I've actually done so much damage to my hair. I'm angry with myself right now because why is my hair like this? I'm supposed to have gone so far on this natural hair thing, but look at me. I'm not even maintaining it. Yo, I'm done with my hair, then my nails. You know, look at them nails. As from my girl Julie, Chidima is the best when it comes to nail plug. And here I am heading home, guys. I went broke after making my hair and my nails. So here I am crushing on myself. The guy beside me making his call, and the one behind me selling his medicine. You know that kind of medicine they sell in Abuja, boss. You just got to love Abuja, boss. You guys have promised me that we are getting to 10K. 10K. So kindly subscribe to this channel right now before you even start watching this video. Bye.
Hi guys, good morning and welcome to Monday edition of Jesus. Oh my god, good morning and welcome to my vlog. It's Monday edition and I'm up. I just woke up. I just stood up now, trying to get ready for work. My job actually starts 5:30 a.m. It's 4:48 a.m. So get ready with me. I'm wearing this outfit. Yeah, I'm back. I wasn't going to include my skincare, but you see this particular one. First of all, before we wear bra as a lady, use roll-on first. Shogba, so that you're not gonna be smelling like fish. Use roll-on, no. Chineke onye ebere. God, I'm running late. I will hope I get to work on time. As for my face, this is how it's going to look till I get to work. I think I have like 1 hour window between kakaki and focus, so that's when I'll now touch my face. But first, lip gloss. I think this thing has finished though. Oh, finally. Actually bought it from Violet, my friend. She sells perfume and she's very good with these things. She knows the right thing to buy. I'm definitely going to order for more. Does this work? Does it? Okay, see you in the office because this vlog continue till the end of the day. Bye.
Now go to the office and complete it. That will be the biometric registration. Yeah, biometric capturing that will do it to the office. So it's actually